Hi there folks, Kyle here.
Joanna here.
We're here at BTOO Open today with our teamwork class.
Our partnership class.
Teamwork
So
partnerships.
close.
I was close. So first off, we talked about this idea of having a reciprocal pressure or connection with our partner. So a little bit of a drill that we did was that we had the followers here hold up their arms, like it could be fists, could be palms down, doesn't matter. And the idea was that I as a leader presented some sort of gradual pressure to the follower. And the follower would match the connection from wherever I decided to give pressure. Now, it's important to note that this is about teamwork and working together. It's not a competition, so I don't want to try and fake out my partner. The amount of pressure needs to be gradual. Right? Is there anything that follows?
So we did a drill which was passing that pressure back and forth. So we did it with both the leaders and the followers doing it. So wherever we had it, we would have that, and we would apply the pressure and create movement from it so that it came through, and we had to keep that pressure through as we moved, and we just saw the kind of shapes that we could make, and we weren't trying to get anything West Coast swing out of it. We were just trying to evolve this drill into something that how we could move it through and maintain that connection.
Right, so breaking this down, we added it into a little bit of a pattern.
Yeah.
Right, that so took it open for a 1, opened up 2. Now from here, what we wanted to do as leaders was create the space to ask the followers right side to cross over and continue forward for a triple step. From here, what we did was we rotated the entire left side back the other way, catching the hand again, guiding them through here. And you could play with this and continue to triple through, matching the frame. And at some point, we gave a little extra pulse through the frame, da, 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 to reset back into the triple.
Okay, for the followers, we want to make sure that we don't take the hand away. So as the leaders using this hand, we don't want to drop this hand, because it's going to be, if we go through this again, we get so that we want to make sure that we're available to be with the leader, and we don't want to just drop this because we won't get back here in time, and then the leader's looking for where we are. So we want to make sure that even though it's not being used, that it's still available should the leader want it.
Okay. I think that's all she wrote, folks.
Thank you.